Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix power option grayed out and managed by your administrator on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are unable to manage the power option in your control panel and it has been disabled or grayed out, then I will show you how to fix this issue. In this, first you have to do, you have to just click on the search, then type here GP edit. Then click on this edit group policy. Just maximize the window. In this, you will find here administrative templates. Double click on that. After that, system. Double click on that. Then power management. You find the power management. Just single click on power management. Come to the right side. You will find here specify a custom active power plan. Double click on that, and it should be selected as not configured. If it is selected as enabled, you just need to change it to not configured. Just click on the OK. Select an active power plan, then select as not configured, then click OK, then close this window. After that, open the CMD, right click on that, click on run as administrator, click on yes. Here you need to type this command res space delete space hklm slash software slash policy slash microsoft slash power space slash f. Yes. Then hit enter. After that, completion of this, just close this window and restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way, you can fix power option grayed out and managed by administrator on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe.